Voila! After days of care and attention to detail, the Perception dresser emerges with a stunning new walnut finish, ready to shine in its new home. But how did we get here? Let's rewind and take a closer look at the magic behind the scenes. Here's where the sanding transformation truly begins. Inside and outside, we hand sand every little detail. Now we see the wood to start looking beautiful, so we can start the staining process. And sometimes some touch-ups can be greater than others. Fine detailing is a must. And there you go, back to life. Beautiful American walnut dresser designed by Warren Church for the Lane Company.